Hey friends, this is Atif for Well and welcome to the new update on Civic token. The CVC token has completed a really very big bullish setup for up to 2800%, really big bullish move. So in today's video, we will try to understand this move and we will have some analysis of the CVC token with the Bitcoin pair. And at the end of this video, I would like to give you some analysis of CVC token with the US dollar pair as well. And with the US dollar pair, it has completed a really very big bullish setup for up to 400% bullish move. And it has completed a really very big bullish butterfly pattern. First of all, I would like to take you to my previous article of CVC token with Bitcoin pair that I posted last year in July 2019. You can see this was the article that I posted on the Tradingview, and I predicted that the CVC token is moving in a pennant, and here it has found a support, and from here it can take a really very big bullish divergence and can produce up to 2800% or more than 2800% profit. Now I'm playing this chart, and you can see that now the price action has left this pennant directionless and found a support at this level where we have the pennant support. Now if I take you to the live chart, this is the same pennant that I have placed on the live chart, you can see, and this is the Fibonacci retracement tool that I have placed from the tail of this pennant up to this support to see the targets, and this can be our first target. That is the Fibonacci projection 0.382 Fibonacci projection of this tail up to this support, and then we have the second target that is up to 0.50 Fibonacci level. Then we have up to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. That is the golden ratio of the Fibonacci retracement. And finally, we can have this target that is the Fibonacci projection up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, as I have mentioned these targets here in my article. Now, if we want to see that what the price action is doing after leaving this pennant directionless and move to this chart, this is the same weekly chart, then we can see that the price action has finally found a really very strong support at 214 satoshis. We can see here the price action has hit several times at this support, and even the price action is likely to form a double bottom at this time. For example, this is the first bottom and this is the second bottom formation at this time, we can see. And if we watch to the more small time period chart, that is a daily chart with the simple moving averages with the time period of 25, this black one is 200, this green one is 50, and this red one is 100 simple moving average. The price action, first when the price action took the bullish divergence in the month of May, after the mid of May, the price action crossed up all these simple moving averages, and now the price action has started a correction rally, and at this time the price action has broken down this 25 simple moving average, and at the same time the price action is retesting the previous simple moving averages with the time period of 200, 50 and 100 as support, and we can see at this time the 50 simple moving average is likely to form a golden cross with the 200 simple moving average. That is really a very powerful buying and bullish signal, and this is considered as a really very powerful buying signal among the traders community. Therefore, we can have a bullish bounce from this support of 250 and the 100 as well. And let me just show you the targets again. And this is the first target, that is the Fibonacci projection from tail up to this support from 0.382, 0.50, 0.618 and 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. The first target is 3,800 satoshis. The second target can be 4,874 satoshis. Third target can be 5,965 satoshis, and the last and the final target, that is the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, is 7,518 satoshis. Now I want to show you the Civic coin with US dollar pair, where it has formed a really very firm pattern, and that is the formation of the bullish butterfly pattern, and the price action at this time is in potential reversal zone. This is the initial leg, and A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. Then we have the Fibonacci projection between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection. That is the projection of A to B leg. And after that, we have the retracement from 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. And here I have placed this trend line because here the price action has found a really very strong and firm support at 1.7 cents. You can see the price action has formed a double bottom on this support, same as like the price action has formed a double bottom in with the CVC with Bitcoin pair at 214 satoshis. So we can set this trend line or this support line as our stop loss, because if this trend line or support line will be broken down, then the price action can even move more down, and the maximum extent of this potential reversal zone goes up to $0.0035. Therefore, we should strictly set this level 1.17 within this potential reversal zone as our stop loss. And if the price action will break down the support, that I'm expecting that will not happen. For example, it will be happen, then we should sell it here, and we can again rebuy at the maximum extent of the potential reversal zone, that is $0.0035. So after that, we can set our sell targets here, and this is a Fibonacci projection of A to D leg from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection, and this is our first target, 0.38. That starts from 0.382 level, and that is 4.4 cents, and the maximum extent of this potential sell zone ends up to 8.7 cents. That is the 0.786 Fibonacci projection or retracement level that I have mentioned here. So this trade, for example, if the price action will be dropped from up to this level and reach up to this level, then this trade can be maximum up to 400% profit potential. But for example, if the price action, that I'm not expecting that will be happen, but for example, if it will be happen that the price action will be dropped up to this level and it will be reached up to this level, then we can expect that it can produce up to or more than 2400%. Really very big bullish move. So this was the update so far. If I'll have more developments by the price action of CVC or Civic token, then I'll definitely share with you. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, do share your comments with me, and do share my videos as well. Take care. Goodbye.